Unfortunately, we live in a very critical world where people are very quick to criticize you, judge you, and hold very strong opinions about you. They'll criticize what you do, what you say, think, achieve, and be critical of your every move. A lot of the times you'll find that people who are critical of others, it's them who have the most insecurities within themselves. And also they have their big egos to protect. So the problem is not necessarily with you, but with those critical people. Unfortunately, we can't expect to change the world overnight. However, we can prepare ourselves to face criticism in this sometimes cruel world. Now, before I tell you how to deal with criticism, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. Here are 4 things you need to do when you're dealing with criticism. Number 1, don't take it personally. Remember, not all criticism directed at you is an attack on you. Sometimes it's just feedback to help you improve. For example, I get some people who say things about my YouTube channel, about my videos, but I just try not to take it personally. Instead, I try to keep my head down and focus on the content and try to improve my videos and make them more valuable to people. You must learn to grow a thick skin and don't take anything you hear that you don't like personal. Number 2, listen and analyze. Instead of reacting, just ask yourself, is this constructive criticism or is it just negativity? If it's constructive criticism, then great. If it's not, then just ignore it. With all constructive criticism, you need to find ways to address the criticism in order to improve yourself. Number 3, respond. Don't react. All you need to do is to take a deep breath before you respond. And that's because a calm response earns respect, whereas the emotional response makes things worse. For example, Elon Musk in an interview was asked a question which required some thought. So Elon took a long pause. In fact, exactly 12 seconds to think before he answered the question. So it's really worthwhile thinking before you respond instead of just saying whatever comes to your mind. And number 4, learn and grow. Remember, every bit of constructive criticism is a lesson and an opportunity to grow. We must always learn from all these lessons so that we can develop ourselves and become the better version of ourselves. So the challenge is for you to use constructive criticism to level up instead of letting it get to you and you break down. No doubt criticism can be tough, but now you know how to handle it like a champ. And if you like this video and you think it's added value to you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button now.